I'm redesigning the Samsung Galaxy series because I don't like the direction where Samsung is going. Instead of sticking to my last year's design of a horror, I'll stick with a new design capturing the beauty of old and new Samsung. While the Galaxy series have been iconic, it's been less of an effect with its design in recent years, so I aim to fix that. Enough yapping, so let's start. Okay, now it's time to start with the frame to build off of. We need a simple shape of a phone and I'll get a S25 reference later. Now it's time to fillet the edges. They have unique round corners to them. Something that is so unique. Cough, cough. Let's now focus on some prominent features such as buttons and a simple camera layout. The rest I can build off of later when coloring and texturing. Great, we got the cameras. We can now work on stuff with details like the charging port and speakers. Detail is key.
Wow!
Great. Now we have a base of our new Galaxy. Just a few details are needed. The astonishing resemblance of the iPhone 16 and the Galaxy S25 are crazy. So I'll try to keep the boxy feel and a new camera layout. All right, now that we have that in mind, we can continue with the 3D modeling. As you can see, I am adding the camera sensors and the glass for extra detail. I am also adding a lock screen for fun. I think we are almost done. Now, we change some render settings. Yeah, I think that's right. Do you like this video so far? You should subscribe. Wow, it looks great. Now this reminds me of a pixel. Despite that, at last here is the final masterpiece.
One thought does occur from time to time, not entirely frivolously. Would it not be more illuminating to play the whole thing backwards?